In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start Canva Pro free trial. Canva 30-day free trial. First, open your browser and head over to Canva.com. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If you are signed in on multiple devices or browsers, make sure you are using the account you want the trial on, because the trial attaches to the account you are currently logged into. Once you are in, look to the top right corner of the home page. You should see a prompt that says something like "Start your trial for $0." Click that. If you don't see it immediately, you can also look for a button labeled Try Pro or Try 30 Days Free. These buttons all lead you to the same place. The Pro trial setup. Next, you'll choose your plan and payment. Canva lets you pick between a monthly or a yearly plan, and the 30-day trial applies to both options. The main difference is what you'll be charged after the trial ends. So take a second to decide which one makes sense for you long term. On the payment screen, enter your details using a credit or debit card, or choose PayPal if that's available in your region. Double-check the billing currency and make sure your information is accurate. So here is no interruption to your trial. As soon as your payment method is confirmed, your 30-day free trial is activated. You now have access to all the premium features. That includes 100 gigabytes of cloud storage, access to premium templates, images, videos, fonts, and other pro-only content, along with advanced tools that can speed up your design workflow. Feel free to explore these right away. It's a great time to test features you've been curious about and see how they fit your projects. It's important to know that the subscription will automatically renew after 30 days. If you want to avoid charges, set a reminder for a day or two before your trial ends. You can cancel at any time during the 30-day period through your account settings. To do that, open your profile or billing settings. Find your plan or subscriptions area, and select the option to cancel the Pro trial. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm. Canceling during the trial prevents future charges, and you'll typically keep Pro access until the trial period fully ends. That's it. Thanks for watching.